mo akwaba na asem Adom TV Badwam Health Tips eso aha na edi nkomo hwa apomudi mo nsem 5 minutes week ni mu nyina da bia simanum ni akasa afa ho na wotwe mu yetu asi ho di ma ho nkomo ma apomudin ho nkomo a Dr. Alifa Abdul Karim our public health or Dr. Penny eni edisa enkomo yakasa bebre na so kan ho 5 minutes ye nche se be abeto onwuma so wasa wo siesie nkura no ho na wutie ye nso ebeboa do bia na se ye nto aso na hu sese de wo kan ese nya rest no ne ade na ise no hu hia ye pesika no mo nti ema ye de ho atoto supplement bebre so no eya na obi ze onum wei anti aging anti ho ahwan o da bi baby tete baby so ne ade eye
no supplements, no cry. It's a different issue. Say all the chemicals are so they to your body more.
Okay.
Supplements now yet fun. Supplements be now offer. Him funny free. Why na ye? Company no more registered. Why na I research who say because before a drobia be PA system. Most of the time levels are fast and sana abedru your honor. But most of the time also because nipa bin to me far corners edro no enyem maye but omo dey aba system.
Okay.
Na won so unnim bibia ya ka say ye bia o say we say bia me no me ne ema me hu ye say na wakoto nipa no body different won so body different unnim ye ye na wakoto na wabenom na fe da bia nso o say ye say oye tuntuma a big issue nyame abo tuntuma a yes, why tum dodo kosra kakra ma weni wenya enimonyam ninina no more extra stress already one kasa your body is full of changing hormones within the month now once kofa we asa dey abeka ho fibroids are common because of the things we are doing to ourselves and all the chemicals and nyama bebre are common and say because of health implications of nyama enti part of self-care, they say, obe accept, say, this is who I am. Aging, ebeba, it's just one of the beauties of life. You say, eto de bia we young, and obe your old. Now, instead of say obe who say you should keep being the way you are, no, accept the changes, no. Find ways obe wo waya abra, but uhuna. No who ye first still what take care of no onim ni osra onim ni odi onim ni oye and then won here and then be protective because ye self care in exercises what you eat ni nyina no ebeboa na wa looking younger for a very much longer time compared to say osra and I say who used to be a problems bro at the end of the day no
nti we mu sa na ye can so effect where reproductive health want to say
depending on near eshe edronu bebre omo use a lot of hormonal chemicals enti already no nipa nyame abo say at the end of the month ebia o level of this hormone near yaka say hormone na nyame bi ehye yo but obia woni dey different and then ma wo your oba no and then they dictate say okay obetimi ekita pregnancy till end and they dictate say obetimi akwala ye bamba sperm na oni be ma be meet na we nya sperm na e grow into something different enti eno no e wo ma ho bebre e wo hia pa but say ukofa ndro we ekeka wo ho a o destructive hormonal way balance no so who disruptive hormonal balance reproductive organs no so they can't work the way they are supposed to because some no support reproductive organs and they same bebre
can say young ones now man fear say yes ade ne ehun effect no eso
yes ehun so pa and the more they continue doing it the more effect is going to ebetimi their bro at the end of the day
that's it what I want to so nyame ya Adom endpoint Homeopathic clinic wonder Roma and yede ebro tino ema apomden ho komo 0244867068 idi afia amankwa tamaklo 5 minutes ochna saka ho ebeto so